Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 5b. So today I shall start from exercise 5c. So come to exercise 5c, page number 41. See the first question. Find the numbers that are divisible by the ring numbers. So before going to solve what to say exercise 5c, I need to explain the test of divisibility. Okay. Test of divisibility. So first we shall discuss about the divisibility of 2. So which numbers are divisible by 2? Just by seeing the numbers without dividing, we can say that which numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. So if we see that the number is an even number, then it is divisible by 2. Suppose 24, okay, 8, 6, then 10. These all numbers are divisible by what? 2. Okay. Suppose a big number 5, 2, 7, 8, then 5, 0, 6. These all are divisible by 2 because all are even number. But if I write 25, then it is a what? Odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. Understood? Now come to divisibility of 3. Which numbers are divisible by what? 3. Which numbers are divisible by what? Which numbers are divisible by 3? So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. If the sum of its digit is divisible by what? 3. Suppose you see 873. 873. So whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, how to check? You add the sum of the digit. If the sum of the digit, the result whatever come, if this result is divisible by 3, then the whole number is what? Divisible by 3. So you see 8 plus 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3, 10 plus 8. It is what? 18. 18 is what? Divisible by 3. 3 6 are what? 3 6 are what? 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. That means the whole number 873 is what? Divisible by 3. Understood? Now what? Divisibility of what? 4. Which numbers are divisible by what? 4. Which numbers are divisible by what? 4. You come to page number 39 and you can see from the book. All are written in the book. You can write from the book also, no problem. You can learn from book. You have to learn this formula from the book. Okay. So you see divisibility of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digit is divisible by what? 4. That means what? Suppose 7316. Suppose 7316. So how to check that this number is divisible by 4 without dividing? Yes. You have to go to the last 2 digit, that is ones place and the tens place. If this 2 digit number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 4. This 16 is divisible by 4 because what? 4 4s are 16. Then 7316, the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 4. This 16 is divisible by 4. Okay. So the what? The whole number is divisible by 4. So what is the divisibility of 4? A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digit is divisible by what? 4. Now come to divisibility of what? 5. So divisibility of 5 is very easy. If you see that a number, if you see a number, suppose 25, okay, then 25, then suppose 170, okay, 150, okay, then 625, okay. If you see in the unit place 5 or 0 is there, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 5. You see in the unit place in 625 the unit place is what? 5. In 25 the unit place is what? 5. In 170 the unit place is what? 0. In 150 the unit place is what? 0. So if you see in the unit place 5 or 0, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 5. If you see in the unit place 5 or 0 is there, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 5. Okay. Now come to what? Divisibility of 6. So it is what? Divisibility of 5. Now what? Divisibility of 6. Divisibility of what? 6. So actually divisibility of 6 we cannot check directly by 6. Okay. To check the divisibility of 6 we need to check by 2 and 3, because what? 2 3s are what? 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 6. Okay. Suppose for an example, you see 3360. 3360. So what? We know that what? If the number is even, then it is what? Divisible by 2. So this number is an even number. Okay. So it is what? Divisible by what? 2. And we need to check that whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Yes. How to check the divisibility of 3? You add all the digits. Then here what? 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. Then what comes? 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6, then 0. It is what? 12. 6 plus 6 what? 12. So 12 is what? Again divisible by what? 3. Okay. 3 4 is 12. Then what? Then what? Then the whole number is what? Divisible by 6. So once again you listen. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the whole number is divisible by what? 6. Okay, you can check at your home, no problem. Now what? Divisibility of what? Now what? Divisibility of 7. So how to check the divisibility of 7? You see the book? Find the difference between the double and the last digit and the rest of the number. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is what? Divisible by what? 7. You see, 434 is given. So double the last digit is what? 8. The rest of the number is what? 43. The difference is what? 43 minus 8. It is what? 35. So which is divisible by what? 7. So 434 is divisible by what? 7. You see what? Another example. So double the last digit is what? 4. The rest of the number is what? 179. So the difference is what? 179 minus 4, it is what? 175. Is 175 divisible by 7? Double the last digit is what? 5. It is 10. Then the rest of the number is what? 17. The difference is what? 17 minus 10, it is 7, which is divisible by what? 7. So 175 is what? Divisible by 7, which makes 1792 divisible by what? 7. So what you see? How to check? You see, suppose one number is given 434. So how to check whether the number is divisible by 7 or not? You see the last digit. The last digit is what? 4. Make it double. Then what? 4 plus 4, it is what? 8. So it will become what? 8. Okay. Now rest, what remain? 43. So here what? 43. Now what? Now we subtract it. If the result is divisible by 7, then the whole number is what? Divisible by 7. So 43 minus 8, how much it will come? Here what? 13. 13 minus 8, 5. Here remain what? 3. 35. So here remain what? 35. So the difference is what? If the difference is divisible by what? 7, the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 7. So 35 is divisible by what? 7. Answer what? 5. 5 7 are 35. So the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 7. Okay. Then one another more example is given. You see, it's a big number. Okay, 1792. So double it, it will become what? 4. So it will become what? 4. Then rest remain what? 179. So subtract it, 179. How much come? 19 minus 4, 9 minus 4, it is what? 5. Here remain what? 7. 175. Okay, this also we cannot check by 7, isn't it? So what? You again it what? 175. Now you take 175 as number. Now the unit place is what? 5. So make it double, it will become what? 10. Then remaining what? 17. So 17. Now subtract it what? 17 minus 10, it is what? 7. So 7 is what? Again divisible by what? 7. 1 coming. Okay. So the whole number 1792 is what? Again divisible by what? 7. Understood? Now what? Now what? Divisibility of what? 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digit number is divisible by what? 8. Okay. So what? You see, if the last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8, then the whole number is what? Divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digit is divisible by what? 8. So you check. Divisibility of what? Divisibility of 8. Okay. So you check 19824. Okay. So in 19824 you check whether this last 3 digit is divisible by 8 or not. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then the whole number is what? Divisible by 8. So you check 824, it is divisible by 8 or not. Yes, 8 ones are 8. Then what? Then what? Then 0. Then 8 3s are what? 24. Sorry. 8 ones are 8. Then remain what? 2. Not divisible. Take 4. Put on 0. Then what? 8 3s are 24. 103 into 8, you check, you multiply. 8 is 24 and remain 2. 8 0 is 0 and 2. 8 1 is 8. 824. Okay. So what? So last 3 digit is what? Divisible by 8. That means what? 19824 is also divisible by what? 8. Now come to divisibility of what? 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by what? 9. If the sum of its digit is what? Divisible by 9. It is as like 3. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Like this, if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by what? 9. For example, you see, suppose You see 1872. Whether this number is divisible by 9 or not, how to check? Yes. You add all the digits 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2. So 1 plus 8 it is 9, 7 plus 2 9. 9 9 what? 18. So 18 is divisible by what? 9. 9 to 18. So the whole number is divisible by what? So the what? Whole number is divisible by what? 9. Understood? Now come to what? Divisibility of 10. So divisibility of 10 it is very easy. If you see in the unit place 0 is there, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 10. If you see that a number ends with what? 0, then the whole number is what? Divisible by 10. For example, 30, 40, 210, 360, 336, 330. These all are divisible by what? 10. Because these numbers ends with what? 0. Understood? Now come to what? Divisibility of what? 11. So what? Find the sum of the digits in the odd and the even places respectively. If their difference is divisible by 11, then the what? Then the number is what? Divisible by 11. So first what? First you have to find the sum of the odd places and the even places. Then you have to find the difference. If the difference comes 0, or if the difference is divisible by what? 11, then the whole number is what? Then the whole number is divisible by 11. So let me take one example. Divisibility of what? Divisibility of 11. So you see divisibility of 11, last word divisibility of 10 I have done, okay. I have not write it divisibility of 10, okay. So divisibility of what? 11 will be what? Suppose one example, 7, 3, 7. Okay, 7, 3, 7. So first what? First you have to add the what? Find the sum of the digits in the odd places. You have to what? Find the sum of digits in the odd places. So in the odd places what? This 1, 2, 3. So this one and this one are in the what? Odd places. So you add it. So 7 plus 7 how much? It is what? 14. Now what? Now add what? Now what? You add the even places. So even places is only what? 3. These are what? Odd places. And this one is what? Only even. So in this case what? Only one digit. So no need of adding more. So what? Now what? This is what? Odd. Okay. And even is what? Only what? 3. It is what? Even. Okay. Only 3 is the what? Even. Now what? Now you take out the difference between the two number. Difference means what? What? Subtraction. That is what? Minus. So 14 minus 3, how much? It is 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. So that is 7, 3, 7. Whole number is divisible by what? 11. Here the difference came what? 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. That is what? 1. 11 0 what? 11 1 0 11. So 7, 3, 7 is whole number is divisible by what? 11. Now what? Another example is there. If the difference comes 0 also. If the difference, suppose 5 minus 5. If the difference comes 0 also, then what? It is divisible by what? 11. If the difference comes 0, then also what? It is divisible by what? 11. So let us take an example of difference that what comes 0. Okay. Now what? 1, 3, 2, 4, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4, 4. So this one odd place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the odd places who are there? 4, 3 and 5. These are what? Odd places. So you add the odd places. Add odd places. What? 1 plus 2 plus 4. It is what? 3 plus 4. It is what? 7. It is what? 7. Now what? Even places. at what even places? Even places what? Only what? 2 and these 4 and 3. So what? 4 plus 3, it is what? Again 7. Now difference means what? 7 minus 7. Here also 7, here also 7. So 7 minus 7 what? 0. So I said what? If the difference comes 0 also, then also it is what? Divisible by what? 11. So the whole number is 1, 3, 2, 4, 4. Whole number is what? Divisible by what? 11. Okay. Now check the divisibility of what? 12. So how to check the divisibility of 12? Yes, you can check the divisibility of 12 by divisibility of 12 how? Yes, 12, that is what I can write 3 into 4. Okay, it is what? 12. So it's like earlier how we have done 6, 2 into 3. So if a number is divisible by 3 and 4, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 12. So let us take an example. 3360. 3360. Whether this number is divisible by what? 12 or not, let us check by this formula. So first you check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So how to check? You add the sum of the digits. So what? To check with 3. 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. So what? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 0, it is what? 12. Okay. So 12 is divisible by 3. Okay. Now what? 4. With 4 how you are checking? You see, if the what? If the last digit, if the last 2 digits are what? Divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So 60 is divisible by 4. 60 is divisible by 4 or not? So that this 336 is divisible by 3 also, this 336 is divisible by 4 also. That means what? The whole number is divisible by what? 12. So 3360 is what? Divisible by 12. Understood? Now come to the divisibility of what? 15. So divisibility of 15 how? How I can break this 15? 3 into 5, it is what? 15. So like this, first you have to check that whether this divisibility what? 15. So what? First we need to check that whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Then we have to again check whether the number is divisible by what? 5 or not. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 15. So let us take an example. 3360 again. 3360. Is this number is divisible by what? 15 or not? Let us check. So by 3 we know that what? The sum of the digits. 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. Okay. So it is what? 6 plus 6 plus 0. It is what? 12. So the sum is again divisible by 3. Then it is what? The whole number is divisible by 3. Again what? 5. So we know that if in the unit place 0 or 5 is there, then the whole number is what? Divisible by 5. So in the unit place what? 0 is there. So the whole number is what? Divisible by 5. That means what? 3360 is divisible by both 3 and 5. That means what? The whole number is what? Divisible by what? 15. Okay. Then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 15. Understood? Now come to exercise. Exercise 5C. Okay. Page number 41. So see question number 1. Find the numbers that are divisible by the ring numbers 2, 10, 5, 3. 2, 10, 5, 3. Okay. 2, 10, 5, 3. So you check, find the numbers that are divisible by the ring numbers. So number 1 what? The series are given 49, 94, 123, 65. 49, 94, 123, 6, 5, 1, 6. We have to check by what? 2. Okay. So how to check? We know that what? If the number is even, then the number is what? Divisible by what? 2. So right. Then which one is divisible by 2? 94, 123 is odd, 6156. These two numbers are what? Divisible by what? Divisible by 2. So right answer 94, 615 are even numbers. Even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. Okay, now come to question number B. B, what is given? 60, 58, 115, 60, 58, 115, 7552. So what? We need to check by what? 5. We know that about 5 what? How a number is divisible by 5? If in the unit place what? 0 or 5 is there, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 5. So in the unit place 0 is there, so it is divisible. So in the unit place 8 is there, it is not divisible. So in the unit place 5 is there, it is divisible. In the unit place 2 is there, so it is not divisible. So these two numbers are divisible. Okay, so you write right 60 and 115 are divisible. 60 and 115 are divisible by 5 because they have 0 and 5 in the unit place. Because they have what? 0 and 5 in the what? Unit place. Okay. Now come to question number 10. Sorry. Now come to question number C. So question number C is what? Divisibility of what? You need to check with what? 10. So 195, 2970, 3006, 4200, and we need to check by what? 10. So we know, we have learned already that a number is divisible by 10 if the number ends with what? 0. So this number ends with 5, so it is not. This number ends with 0, it is. This is divisible by 10. This number ends with 6, it is not. This number ends with 0, so it is divisible. So what? Only what? 2970 and 4200. These two numbers are what? Divisible by 0. So right answer. Right, 2970, 4200 ends with 0. So they are divisible by 10. Okay, so they are what? Divisible by what? 10. Now what? Now divisibility of what? 3. Divisibility of what? 3. So what given? 133, 133, then what? 321, then 4713, then 2640. Okay, we have to divide by what? 3. Okay, so what? We know that if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then what? The whole number is what? Divisible by 3. So let us check. Here what comes? 1 plus 3, it is what? 4. 4 plus 3, it is what? 7. Here coming what? 7. So 3, so it is not divisible. 3 plus 2, what? It is what? 5. 5 plus 1, what? 6. So it is divisible. 3 2 are 6. Now come to that one. 4 plus what? 7 plus 3 what? 7 plus 3 what? 10. 4 plus 1 5. It is what? 15. So it is also divisible. Okay. This one you see 20, what? 6 plus 4 what? 10. 10 plus 2 what? 12. 12 what? Again divisible. Okay. By 3. So which numbers are divisible? 321, 4713, 2640. Okay. These three numbers are what? Divisible by what? 3. So write. 321 4713 2640 are one thing you do, you write like this. You check like this. The sum of, for 133 you check 133. Then you write sum of digits. Sum of the digits. Digits what? Equals to what? 1 plus 3 plus 3. It is what? 7. Which is not divisible by, right? Which is not divisible. Divisible. Which is not divisible by what? 3. Now come to what? 321. So like this you write. 321. 321. So write sum of its digit goes to what? 3 plus 2 plus 1. It is what? 5 plus 1. It is what? 6. So write which is divisible by? Which is divisible by? Divisible by what? 3. Okay. Now come to 4713. 4713. Right. Sum of its digit goes to what? 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3. So 3 plus it is what? 3 plus 1 it is 10. Okay. 5 plus 10 it is what? 15. Which is again what? Divisible by what? Which is again divisible by what? 4 plus 1 5, 7 plus 3 10, 15. So which is again divisible by what? 3. Which is by 3. Okay. So last one 2640 you practice at your home. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Which of the following numbers are divisible by what? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? So we know that what? If the sum of the digits are divisible by 9, then the whole number is what? Divisible by 9. So come to question number 2. Question number 2, you check. First one you check what? 108 2970 300. Wait. 108, then 387, then 1233, then 4609. 4609. So rest are same. Okay, I am doing that one. You practice rest. Only 2 remain. So what? First you have to check the what? Sum of the digits is divisible by what? 9 or not. So you check for 108. Okay, sum of its digit equals to what? 1 plus 0 plus 8. Okay, it is what? 9. Okay, which is divisible by what? 9. Therefore 108 is divisible by what? 9. Like this you write. Then for next what? 387 what? 387. So for 387 what? Write sum of its digit equals to what? 3 plus 8 plus 7. So how much come? 11. Okay, 11 plus 17, it is what? 18. Okay, so 18 what? 18 is divisible by what? Right, which is divisible by what? 9. 9 to 18. Therefore 387 is divisible by what? 9. Okay, now come to 1 2 3 3. 1 2 3 3. 1 2 3 3. So this one divisible, this one divisible. Now let us check this one. 1 2 3 3. Write sum of its digit equals to what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 3. So what? 1 plus 2 it is 3, 3 plus 3 it is 6, 6 plus 3 it is what? 9. Okay, 6 plus 3 is what? 9. So again 9 is divisible by what? 9. Right, which is divisible by 9? Which is divisible by what? 9. Therefore 1 2 3 3 is divisible by 9. Okay, now check the last one. Rest to you practice, it is same as like, okay, 4609. So write sum of its digit equals to what? 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 9. So 4 plus 6 it is what? 10. 10 plus 9 it is what? 19. So 19 is what? Not divisible by 9. So the whole number is not divisible by 9. So write 19, which is not divisible, by what? 9. Therefore the whole number is not divisible by. Therefore 4609 is not divisible by what? 9. Okay, now come to question number 3. In each of the following, find the numbers that are divisible by the first number. So in the box you see, we have to check by the divisibility of what? Of 4. So 3a. We have to check by what? 4. Okay, so what? 2 1 2. Then what? 1 3 5 8. 4 6 5 6. Then what? 2 1 2 0 2. So what? How to check by 4? That if the last 2 digit is divisible by what? 4. If the last 2 digit is what? Divisible by what? 4. Then the whole number is what? Divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digit is what? Divisible by 4. So you see, in this case the last 2 digit is what? 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, that means what? 12. So 12 is what? Divisible by 4. So the whole number is what? Divisible by 4. Understood? So this one you check. 58. So the last number is what? 58. So 58 is what? Not divisible by what? 4. So it is what? Not divisible. This one you see 4656. So 56. 56 is what? Divisible by what? 4. So the what? Whole number is divisible by 4. And this one what? Last digit is what? 02. 02 means what? 2. So 2 is not divisible by 4. So it is what? Not divisible. So for this one I am writing, and for next you write. Okay. So 1 I am writing, you write same as like that one. So 2 1 2. 2 1 2. So write. Right. As the last two digit is 12, as the last two digit is 12, and 12 is divisible by what? 4. Therefore 212 is divisible by what? By 4. So like this you write that one, like this, that as the last two digit is 56 and 56 is divisible by 4. So what? 4656 is also what? Divisible by what? 4. Okay. So now come to question number B. So B is also same like, so you can practice. Okay. So okay, one let me complete fully. 4656. 4656. Okay. Then you just replace like this what? 56 and 56. Okay. Then what? Here you write what? 4656. Now you can do 3B. Okay, at your home. Now come to question number 4. Okay, question number 4 what? Divisibility of what? 6. You have to what? Check by what? 6. So what is there? 45 504 1230 47322. Okay, 47322. Now what you know that how to check by divisibility of 6? Yes, 2 into 3 makes what? 6. So we need to check that whether this number is divisible by 2 and 3 or not. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 6. So check first. So 45, yes, it is what? Sorry, 45, yes, it is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2. So it is not. Okay. Now come to what? 504. Yes, 504 is divisible by what? 2, and also it is what? Divisible by 3 also. How you check? 504, you divide it, you will get 3 1s are 3. Okay, here remain what? 2, then 20, then what? 3 6 are what? 18, remain 2, 24, 3 8s are what? 24. So like this if we divide, then you get what? This number is what? Divisible by what? 3. So this number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so it is divisible by what? 6. Now come to what? This one. This 1230, it is also divisible by 2 and 3 also. So this one. Okay. And the last one, it is divisible by what? 2, and also it is divisible by what? 3. How? Sorry, how to check the divisibility of 3? Yes, you add the sum of, don't divide. Okay, you add this sum. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 3 plus 2 it is what? 5. 5 plus 1 it is what? 6. So 6 is again divisible by what? 3. So last one you check 4 7 what? It is a even number. Okay, then it is what? Divisible by 2. Okay, now what? Divisibility of 3. How to check? You add all the numbers. Okay, you add what? All the numbers. 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. So how to check? You see 7 plus 3 10, 2 plus 2 4, and what? 4. So 4 plus 4 8, 10 plus 8 what? 18. So 18 is what? Again divisible by what? 3. Okay, so the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 3. So write. One I am showing. Okay, you write the next. Okay, write for 504. So this will be same like for all. Okay, so write as 504 is an even number. So 504 is divisible by what? 2. And as the sum of the digits of 504 is 9, which is divisible by 3. Now since 504 is divisible by both 2 and 3, therefore both 2 and 3, therefore 504 is divisible by 6. Okay, so for 123047322 you write like this. Exactly you write just by replacing the digits. Okay, now come to question number 4b. Okay, this is what? 4a. Now what? 4b. We have to check the what? Divisibility of what? 12. Divisibility of what? Divisibility of what? 12. So what? Divisibility of 12 is what? How to check? By 12, we know what? 3 4s are what? 12. That means what? If the number is divisible by 3 and 4, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 12. So let's write the number 112, 7112, sorry, 112, 1344, 112, 1344, 3360 and 43720, 43720, 43720. Okay, so what? First we check by what? 3. So here you see 1 1 1 1 what? 1 1 2. So if you check, then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. It is not divisible by what? 3. So we leave this one. Come to that one. 3 plus 1 4 and 4 4 what? 8. Okay, and 8 plus 8 16. So what? 3 plus 1 4. Okay, 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 what? 12. So this number is what? Divisible by what? 3. Now we need to check that whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So how to check the divisibility of 4? Yes, If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 4. So you check 44 is divisible by 4 because what? 4 11s are what? 44. So what? It is divisible by what? 12. This number. Okay. Now come to that one. 3 3 it is what? 6 6 plus 6 it is what? 12. So it is divisible by 3. Now let us check this one with 4. So you see the last two digit what? It is 60. So 60 is divisible by what? 4. So the whole number is what? Divisible by 4. Come to that one. 4 plus 3 what? 7. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 4 plus 3 7. Okay. Okay. So what? 7 plus 7 it is what? 14. 14 plus 2 it is what? 16. So it is 16 is not divisible by what? 3. Okay. So this number is what? Not divisible by what? 12. So what? Which two numbers we got? This one. So write. Right. Right. As the sum of the digits in 1 3 4 4 is what? 1 3 4 4 how much come? 4 4 plus 4 it is 12. But as the sum of the digits in 1 3 4 4 is 12, so the number is divisible by 3. Okay. So the number is what? Divisible by what? 3. Right. And here you write and in 1 3 4 4 the last two digit the last two digits number is 44. So the number is divisible by what? So the number is what? Divisible by 4. Now write since 1 3 4 4 is divisible by, since 1 3 4 4 is divisible by both 3 and 4, therefore 1 3 4 4 is divisible by what? 12. Okay. So like this you write for that one 3360 exactly, just by what? Replacing the what? Numbers. Just replace in that one 336 you write here what? You write the addition of that one. Like this you what? You replace the numbers and you write. It is easy, just you replace the numbers and write. Okay. Now come to question number 4C 15. So 15 you check. We have to check by what? 4C, you have to check by what? 15. So what are the numbers given? 45, 504, 1230, 47, 322. 47, 322. So how to check? In 15, how you can write 3 into what? 5. It is what? 15. So if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 15. So check. 3 is divisible by what? 45 is divisible by 3, and also what? 5. So this 45 is divisible by what? 15. Okay. Now come to 504. 504, 5 plus 4 what? 5 plus 4 it is what? 9. So it is what? Divisible by 3. Now we need to check that whether it is divisible by what? 5 or not. Yes. So to check the divisibility of 5, we need what? In the unit place 0 or 5, but it is 4. So it is what? Not divisible. So it is what? Not divisible. Now come to that one. For this one you see 1, 2, 3, 0. So for 3 we need to what? Add the numbers. So 3 plus 1 what? 2. 3 plus 2 it is what? 5. 5 plus 1 it is 6. 6 is divisible by what? 3. And in the unit place it is 0 is there, so it is again divisible by 5. That means what? The whole number is divisible by what? 15. Okay. So write. So I am writing for this 1, 2, 3, 0. You write for that one. Okay. So write. The numbers are 45 and what? 1, 2, 3, 0. Right. As the sum of the digits in 1, 2, 3, 0 is what? 6. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. As the sum of the digits in 1, 2, 3, 0 is what? Is 6. So the number is divisible by, so the number is what? Divisible by 3. Right. And as the and right, and in 1, 2, 3, 0 the last digit, or you write like this, and in 1, 2, 3, 0 and in 1, 2, 3, 0 and in 1, 2, 3, 0 the last digit is 0. So it is divisible by, so it is what? So it is divisible by what? 5. Now write, since 1, 2, 3, 0 is divisible by both 3 and 5. Both what? 3 and 5. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0 is divisible by 15. Okay. Now come to question number what? Now come to question number 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by what? 11. Which of the following numbers are divisible by what? 11. Okay. So what? We know that if the sum of the digits in the odd place and sum of the digits in the even place, if the first we shall find the sum of the digits of the odd place, then we shall find the sum of the digits in the even place, then what? Then we will find the difference of the sum of the digits of the even place and the odd place. If the difference is divisible by what? 11, or if the difference comes 0, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 11. So let us solve. What? So you check question number 5. Okay. 178 comma 847 comma 1234 comma 91718 91718. Okay, 91718. So you check, we have to what? Check by 11. So the odd place is what? 8 plus 1, it is what? 8 plus 1, it is what? 9. Okay, and even is what? 7. So 9 minus 7, it is what? 9 minus 7, it is what? 9 minus 7, it is what? 2. Okay, and what? Odd place what? 8 plus 1, it is 9, and even what? 7. So the difference is what? 2. 2 is not divisible by what? 11. So this number is not divisible by what? 11. Understood? Now you see the odd places. 8 plus 7, 15. Okay, then 4. 15 minus 4 what? 11. Okay, so this number is what? The difference coming what? 11. So this number is divisible by what? 11. Okay, so this number is what? Divisible by 11. Now this one you check. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So this one is odd and this one is what? Odd. So 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2, it is 6. Okay, even what? 3 plus 1, it is 4. It is what? It is coming what? 6 minus 4, it is 2. So 2 is not divisible by 11, so it is not divisible. Okay, so it is what? Not divisible. Now come to what? Last one. This one even and sorry, this one odd. 1 2 3 4 5. So odd is what? This one, then 7, then 9. So 9 plus 7 plus 8. 91718. 91718. 91718. So what? 9 plus 8, it is what? 17. 17 plus 7 what? 24. Okay, so 24 is what? Yes, 24 came what? Odd. Now you check even. Even is what? 1 and 4. So what? 1 and 4, sorry, 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1, it is what? 2. So 24 minus 2, it is what? 22. Okay, so 22 is divisible by what? 11. 11 to the 22. So this number is what? Divisible by what? 11. So what we got? Only these two numbers, 847 and 91718. So right. Right. So right. Right. 847 and what? 91718 are divisible by what? 11. Okay, divisible by what? 11. Okay, how? Now you write the explanation. So write 847. So write sum of digits, sum of its odd numbers, sum of its odd places. What? Sum of its, for 11 what? Sum of the digits in the even and the odd places. Sum of the digits in the odd places. Odd places is what? Odd 7 and 8, 8 and 7, 8 plus 7, 15. Okay, now what? Sum of its here you write digit. Okay, sum of its digits. Okay, sum of its digits. So sum of its digits in the even places. Even places equals to what? Even places only 4. Okay, 4. Okay, now what? Now their difference. their difference equals to what? Odd minus what? Even. So 15 minus 4, it is what? 11, which is divisible by what? 11, which is divisible by what? 11. Therefore 847 is divisible by 11. Okay, therefore what? Therefore 847 is what? Divisible by what? 11. Okay. And now question number 5. Another one remain 91718, and B and C as like you practice. Okay, as like this one. So all right, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so for 1 2 3 4, right, sum of the digits in the odd places is what? Sum of the digits in the odd places is what? Odd places 4 and what? 4, 1 2 3 4. So what? Sorry, this one not. This one is divisible. 91718. So 1 2 3 4 5. So odd places what? 5 3 and 8. Sorry, 8 1 9 1 8. So 9 1 plus 8. Okay. So 9 1 plus 10, 10 plus 1, it is what? 18. Okay. Sorry. 9 7 and 8. 9 7 and 8. 9 plus 7 plus 8. Okay. So 9 plus 7, it is what? 8. Yes. 9 plus 7, it was 17. 17 plus 8, it is what? 24. Okay. 24. Now what? Sum of the digits in the what? Even places is what? Sum of the digits in the even places is what? Even places what? 4 and 1 and 1. So what? 1 plus 1, it is what? 2. That difference is what? 24 minus 2. Okay. 24 minus 2, it is what? 24 minus 2, it is what? 22. 22. Okay. And 22, which is divisible by what? 11. Therefore 91718 is what? Divisible by what? 11. Okay. Rest to practice. That is same method, same formula. Okay. Now come to question number what? 6. Come to question number 6. Question number 6, you check. 6, what is there? Which of the following are divisible by what? 7. Which of the following are divisible by what? 7. So here what? 91, 452, 247, 3248. 3248. We have to what? Check by what? 7. So one I am solving, rest you can do. So what? Divisibility of 7. Okay. How to check? First what? We have to what? First you have to what? Double the what? Unit place. Then what? The remaining what? We have to subtract from that one. So if you double it, then what? 1 plus 1 will become what? 2. Then remain what? 9. So 9 minus 2 how much? It is what? 7. So 7 is divisible by what? 7. So 91 is what? Divisible by 7. Okay. Come to that one. If you make it double, then what? 4. Okay. Then write 4. Then remaining what? 45. Okay. Now subtract it. 5 minus 4, it is what? 1. Here remain what? 41. So what? 41 is not divisible by what? 7. Okay, so it is not divisible. Now come to that one. 7, if you double it, then it is what? 14. Okay, 14. Remain what? 24. So subtract it. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 1, what? 1. 10. So what? 247. 247 is what? 10. 10 is not divisible by what? 7. So it is what? Not divisible. Now come to that one. 3248. So if we double it, then it will become what? 16. So 16. Remain what? 324. 324. Now subtract it. Okay. Then what coming? 14. 14 minus 6, 8. Okay. Here remain what? 1. So what? 1 minus 1, what? 0. Here remain what? 3. 308. Yes, 308 is what? Divisible by what? 7. So the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 7. Okay. So write the numbers that are divisible by 7 are what? 91, 3, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so what? 3, 2, 4, 8. These two are what? Divisible by 7. Now what you write? First what? Double the last digit. Okay. So for 91 I am writing right. How it is divisible by 7? I am explaining. What? Double the what? Last digit of 91. That is what? Last digit. The last digit is what? Is what? 1. Okay. Therefore 1 into 2 equals to what? 2. Okay. Because what? We need to double it. Okay. Now what? Therefore the rest number is what? 9. Therefore the rest number is what? 9. Okay. 9. Therefore the rest number is what? 9. So after this what remain? 9 remain. Now their difference equals to what? That means what? 9. So 9 minus 2, what it is? 7, which is divisible by what? Which is divisible by 7. Which is divisible by what? Which is divisible by 7. Which is divisible by 7. Therefore Therefore 91 is divisible by 7. Okay. So rest you practice, all are same. Okay. These are same process. Okay. Just you do, will find the answer. So one I have solved for you. Which of these numbers are divisible by 4 but not by 4 but not by 8? Okay. We need to check what? The numbers which are divisible by 4 but not by what? 8. So we know that the numbers that are divisible by 4 is that if the last 2 digit is divisible by what? 4, then the what? Then the number is what? Divisible by what? So question number 7. Okay, just I am writing the answer. Okay. You see question number 7. Just I am writing the numbers. What? 64. 64, 644, 3216, then 55100. Okay. Then what? So what? Which of these numbers are divisible by 4 but not by 8? Okay. So to divide by 4, we need to check the last 2 digit, it is divisible by 4 or not. Okay. So you see the last two digit is what here? Divisible by 4, 44. But to check that whether the number is divisible by 8 or not, we have to take what? The 4, the 3 digit. If the 3 digit is divisible by what? Last 3 digit is divisible by what? 8. Then the what? Number is what? Divisible by what? 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digit is what? Divisible by 8. So it is divisible by what? 4 but not divisible by what? 8. So this one. Okay. 3216. You see 16 is divisible by what? 4 and 16 is and what? This 216 is also divisible by what? 16 is divisible by 8. 216 is divisible by 4. So what? This number is both numbers are divisible by 4 and 8, so we will not take that one. Okay. And the last one is divisible by what? This last one is what? Divisible by what? 4. Okay. And 8 also. So 55100 is also what? Divisible by what? Sorry, this one is divisible by what? 4 and not divisible by what? 8. So we check that one. I think this will come. Okay. So right, the numbers are 644 and what? 5100. Now we need to check what? Which numbers are divisible by 2 but not by 6. Okay. 7b. Which numbers are divisible by 2 but not by what? 6. Okay. So divisible by 2, which numbers are divisible by 2? Here you check. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 7, 0, 1, 6. Then 2, 5, 3, 1, 4. Okay. 2, 5, 3, 1, 4. So what? Divisible by 2, that means what? If the number is even. So this number is what? Even. This number is what? Even. So it is divisible by 2. And if the number should be divisible by 6, then what? We need to check with 3 also. Then what? 2 plus 3 it is what? 5. 5 plus 4 it is what? 9. So this number is divisible by 3. That means what? The whole number is what? Sorry, this number we cannot take, because in the question it is said that it should be divisible by 2 by not by 6, but it is divisible by both 2 and 6. So we cannot take this number. You see this one. This one is what? Divisible by what? 2, because it is even. Now we need to check by 3. So 7 plus 1 it is what? 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So 14 is what? Not divisible by 6. So this one. Okay. Understood? Now come to this one. 2, 5, 3, 1, 4. So the number is what? Even. So it is divisible by 2. Now whether the number is divisible by 6 or not, we need to check with 3 also. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is what? Divisible by 6. So we have already checked with 2, it is divisible. Now let us check with 3. So how to check with 3? That means what? You add the sum of the digits. So what? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5 what? 15. Okay. So 15 is divisible by 3. That means what? It is divisible by both 2 and 3. That is what? It is divisible by 6. So we cannot take this one. So the numbers is what? Only this one. Answer is what? 7016. Okay. Now come to question number 8. Fill in the greatest to make the number divisible by what? 3. Okay. We have to what? We have to use the greatest number. Okay. So 5, 3. 5, 3. In the box, I need to use the what? Greatest number. That should be what? Written so that it can what? Get divided by what? 3. So if I add 9 here, so what will be there? 5 plus 3 what? 5 plus 3 what? 8. 8 plus 9? 17. So 17 is what? Not divisible. So if I add 8, it is also not divisible. So if I add 7, so let us see. 5 plus 3 plus 7. So 7 plus 3 it is what? 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So it is what? Divisible by what? 3. So this is what? 7. Okay. Now come to what? Now come to this D. Now this A. So what? D you see. Rest to you practice. 7, then box, then what? 3, 4, 4. Okay. Just you see. So what? We have to use the what? Greatest. So what you see? 7 plus 3 it is 10. 4 plus 4 it is what? 8. 10 plus 8 is what? 18. Okay. So 18 is divisible by what? 18 is divisible by what? 3. But we need to use a here what? Greatest number. So now let us add here, check with 9, because why you are giving 9? Because we need to use the greatest. So we will start from 9, 9 then 8 then 7, like this will go. Here what? Here we have tested with what? First we have tested with 9, then 8, then 7. Okay, like this, because we need to use the greatest number. So with 9 if I add, then what comes? 8 plus 9 it is what? 17 and 1. Then 1 plus 2 it is what? 27. So 27 is what? Divisible by what? 3. So the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 3. So here you can use what? 9. Okay, understood? Now last question, that is question number 9. So question number 9 you see, fill in the smallest digit to make the number divisible by what? 4. So that is the what? Last question. Now where what? We need to use the what? Smallest number. So what? 6, 3. Here given what? 6, 3. And in the box we need to use a what? Number, and that should be what? Divisible by what? 4. So we know that what? A number should be divisible by 4 if the last 2 digit is what? Divisible by what? 4. So if I use 1 here, so it will be what? The last 2 digit will be what? 31. So 31 is not divisible by 4. Okay. So if I use here 2, then it is what? 32. So 32 is what? Divisible by what? 4. So you can use 1. Here what? 2. So why I have started here with 1 and 1, 2, 3, and where? And here why I have started with 9, 8, 7? Because in the question number 8 it is said that what? We should use the greatest number, and in the question number 9 it is said that what? We should use the what? Smallest number. So we have started from 1, 2, 3, and greatest will start from what? 9, 8, 7. Okay. So this one finished. Now come to question number C. So that is 9A. So come to C. 104. Okay, and box, then 2. That means what? If the number should get divided by what? 4, then the last 2 digits should be what? Divisible by what? 4. So let us use what? Start from 1. So if I place here 1, then it will become what? 12. So 12 is what? Divisible by 4. So the whole number is divisible by 4. So use here what? 1. Okay, finished. Now come to question number D. That is the last. Okay. So you see what? 5, 6. 5, 6, then box. Okay. Then what? 32. We need to check what? That the last 2 digit, if the last 2 digit is what? Divisible by what? 4, then the whole number is what? Divisible by what? 4. So 32 is already divisible by 4. Then no need of adding any number. So we can use what here? 0 also. Because already 32 is there, which is divisible by 4. So no need of adding any more digit. So we can use here what? 0. So that is divisible by 4. So what to say today up to this, and if you find any problems regarding today's question, then you can ask me at night. Thank you very much.